Hi, or people also say merhaba. So you guys literally loved my last vlog of me speaking Arabic all day. So today we're also gonna do that again. We're gonna speak my beautiful, beautiful language, Arabic. I hope you guys love the video and you'll just see what I go through in the day. I don't know why it's zooming in, that's so weird. Stop zooming in, stop. Yalla, let's go do some shopping. So cringy. Let's go. I'm going with my mama and my brother. Also, the outfit of the day, you know me, my Louis hat, obviously, my Balenciaga t-shirt, and then some, I think, literally American Eagle jeans, and also, these are kind of new, my Michael Kors, Michael Kors, boats. I forgot my purse. I don't know where it is. Oh, there it is. My Louis bag. We obviously love some Arabic music. My mom and my brother were clueless. They were like, what is this? It sounds good. I'm so excited to show you my day and what I'm gonna do today. What am I gonna do? اليوم. That's what today is, اليوم. My mom keeps asking me like, where do you wanna go? Where do you wanna go? I'm just like, take me like to places so I can go shop. So we're gonna call her, ready? Inti abiye.
What does abiye mean?
I don't know.
It means I love you.
Oh.
Yeah, I love you, Mom.
Okay.
Inti abiye.
Okay. I get it now. Do you guys know what he's saying? We're going to Five Below first. Is that who I think it is?
I don't know. It looks like you. Yeah, it does. Look. Look. Nefs is she. Do you know what that means?
No, why would I know what? Why are you speaking French?
What?
Why are you speaking French?
I'm not speaking French.
Why are they selling knockoff Nerf darts here?
It's not French. It's Spanish.
Espanol? No.
All Moni has decided to get is junk food. Literally. Junk food. We just walked into the baby aisle. Because we definitely have a baby, right, Mom?
Yes, sure.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Our bird is our baby. Right?
Sure.
Sure. Look at the little socks. I think Moni needs this, Mom.
I cannot fit into that.
I feel like you can fit, right? Yeah, you can fit.
Do you know this in Arabic word?
I don't know. Oh, I know.
Okay.
Kersey? That's chair. But this is like a chair, right?
No.
Yeah? No?
No.
I dare you to sit in this, Moni.
I can't. I'll break it.
Okay, I'll sit in it. Film me.
I'm like 160 something. You're probably gonna break it too.
You can't.
Yeah, I bet.
It like sinks down.
Try that one.
Do you remember how you used to have
This fit.
Yeah, this definitely does not fit me. It's small. Too small. Stop.
Why we are here?
I don't know why we're here. We have a baby. If anyone asks, we have a baby.
We do.
I'm the baby.
What?
Baby.
Well, I don't know why I'm filming
My
you.
mom is taking sword.
It's pictures. What are you speaking? Portuguese?
What?
You look dumb.
I want to be a baby so bad.
Yeah, you already act like one.
That was good. That was good. That was good. That was good. I give that to you.
Good.
I give it to you. Mom, this fits Moni perfectly.
Huh?
This fits you perfectly.
Damn, bro. You got the whole squad laughing.
İktir ilu.
What are you speaking Portuguese or something?
That means it's really, really pretty.
You speak Portuguese.
No, it's really, really pretty.
I don't care.
He's saying his hair looks bad.
I look dumb.
You look fine.
I look stupid.
Why? You don't need to look pretty.
Of course I do.
There it is. That looks, show me. That looks perfect.
Oh my god.
I'm so evil. So worried about his hair.
I still look dumb doing it. I cannot do this.
You look very, very ilu. I found a mirror.
Yeah, I know. Oh, mirror. Mirrors are cool. Mirrors help.
There we go.
Cheers. Ash, don't look that dumb. Why does my phone lie to me, bro?
I know.
My phone is a
Phones
liar.
always make you look bad.
No, I actually do look a little bit dumb.
So Moni's trying to find a girl.
What the f?
He said,
There's nobody here.
He said, where are the ladies at?
Where are the ladies at? Don't look at me.
We'll put that right there. Don't you go back. Don't even
need it.
think
I think
about
my
it.
No, you were staring at me. That's not fair. Why are you looking at the kids swimming?
Moni, there's a duck. Fetch. That was a very fun experience.
Was it?
No. We bought a fridge. Not an actual fridge. No, it isn't. Raise it, raise it. The other way, dum-dum. It's like the little mini fridge. Okay, so we bought this, which is like a gummy bear Coca-Cola.
I want some.
Oh. Okay. We're all gonna try
Did you
it.
put hand sanitizer first?
I
No.
don't think so.
Well, now it's gonna taste like gummy cola hand sanitizer. Okay, I'll take first bite because I'm more important. Yeah.
It tastes like.
He ate all of it! Mom?
I can. Hand sanitizer?
It tastes like hand sanitizer. Maybe because you put hand sanitizer.
Oh my gosh.
It tastes like hand sanitizer.
I'm gonna take out my burgers.
Oh yeah, we got burgers.
Give me some.
But like gummy burgers though.
It's mine.
That was iktir ew.
Stop speaking Portuguese.
I'm not speaking Portuguese.
Portuguese.
Portuguese. I'm speaking Spanish.
No. I want hamburger.
Wait, let me show it to you.
I want the meat.
My mom wants the meat of the hamburger. Okay. Mom dropped hers. She's so sad. Mom dropped all of hers. And she dropped the meat. I have an idea.
Found it.
Are you gonna eat that?
No.
I have a feeling. She dropped it again. Mom, you're not gonna eat it.
I will.
Mom, what did you say?
The meat is under the sea.
Then I'll give him a 4.
I want my meat.
Hey, so we're back home. I took the hat off. It got really, really hot. And yeah, we're back home and literally that was it. We got some like stuff. iktir. Happy. I honestly don't know that many languages. I just know English. I know a bit of Arabic. I know Spanish. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Ayer yo juego el basketball. Yo gusto Joshua. Or no, me gusto Joshua. Okay, that's it. I love you guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, Bye! En ik directeer op hipcon. Allah. Bye! Stay in school.